Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to print a document in Microsoft Word 2016. So, what we're going to do is we're going to just make a quick document which I already have. It's called This is Test Document. And next thing we're going to do is go to File, and we're going to click Print here. Once you've gotten to Print, you will select your printer. In my case, this is the Brother HL1210W series. You will select how many copies of the document you want, and you can select any other preferences that you might have, including paper size, orientation, or how many sides of a piece of paper there are. This means that if you have 2 pages in your Word document, you can print them on both sides of one page so that you conserve paper. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the little white button at the top here saying print, and now it will print automatically. Note that if you've got a wireless printer, this might take a little bit longer.